Good morning all, and thank you for attending this very urgent and important presentation this morning. We will be discussing the future direction of our business and cloud computing. The agenda for this morning is background and purpose, current global trends, benefits, advantages, features, disadvantages, testimonial, conclusion and recommendation, and lessons learned. Now in front of you, you have your Excel spreadsheets showing the financial modeling of the different scenarios. Please keep that handy when we get to the financial modeling page on this PowerPoint. Just to give you a background, I attended a cloud technology seminar recently. In that meeting, very important people spoke about how cloud computing had positively impacted their bottom line. So I've done some research into this and put this PowerPoint presentation together. Our current IT status within our business does not meet our future business requirements, and therefore the purpose of this presentation is to request CAPEX funding for an upgrade. Current global trends show that from 2011 through to 2016, almost 35% will have been invested annually. 35% annually would have been invested in cloud computing technology or infrastructure. If you look at this table down here, this is an exponential growth. If you see that, if you consider that in 2011 it was only $26 billion invested in cloud computing, by 2016 it will be $115 billion. Now what does this mean for our business? It tells us that all other businesses are embracing cloud technology. They see it as the future direction of their businesses. The other important thing here, the global trend, is software as a service. This is a cloud computing service type, and it also is growing at an exponential growth rate of almost 35%. So the purpose of this presentation is to request CAPEX funding of $25,000 from the company, and with that $25,000 we will look at different deployment models to adapt into our business. You have the public cloud offering, the private, hybrid, and the community-based. Public cloud basically means that information is shared over the internet with other public users. Private means that you're able to go private as an organization and in accessing information over the internet. Hybrid is a highly standardized offering, a mix between private and public, while community is inter-organizational. The way forward for our business will be something between private and public. So I did mention software as a service, as a type of cloud computing. The other three types are platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and business process as a service. Currently in the global market, software as a service is being used by almost 60 to 70% of the market. So that is the future direction of our business. Now the important one for us here in this room is the benefits, the income. What money will we make from this investment of $25,000? The current assumption is here. The current assumption is that we invest $25,000 based on a cash flow over a 6-year period and a discounted rate of 10% and cost of capital of 5%. The current assumption is that the financial modeling will show that there will be a profitability index of 1.02 which is over the one mark, which is good. The net present value of 118,000, internal rate of return 97%, payback period 1.2 years. In scenario 1, we look at increasing security cost from $10,000 to $15,000. That, however, gives us a profitability index of less than 1, which is not what we want. In scenario 2, we're looking at decreasing management and control from $10,000 to $5,000, and this gives us a profitability index of 1.38, a healthy net present value of 140,000, an internal rate of 115%, and a payback period of 1 year. In scenario 3, we're looking at eliminating security and management control costs from 20,000 to nil. However, that is not what we want, as we would need security costs to safeguard our security, the security of our information in cloud technology. The advantages of cloud is that there is cost savings, scalability, availability, efficiency, and reliability. The main features of cloud, it has resource pooling and elasticity, self-service and on-demand services, pricing, and quality of service. The disadvantages are security costs, finding a good service provider, management and control, and compliance. The important one that I wanted to highlight here with the team this morning is our main competitor, Princeton Insurance. Now, they've become a success story because they've embraced private cloud, and that's given them a competitive edge in the insurance industry, in the market. So they've been the challenge for them was to gain more business agility. I think they've done that, and through the solution of creating a private cloud, and with that they've been able to get the benefits. The benefits in cloud is that there is resource provisioning from weeks to minutes. So what this means is that information is readily available for them and their stakeholders. So we can see that in the market over the last 6 to 12 months, they've been able to get some of our customers and get some market share, and that's because of they have embraced cloud computing. So in conclusion, cloud computing is the future of our business. We've discussed the financial modeling, and you have it in front of you, the hard copy. We've discussed the benefits, advantages, and features. We've discussed the testimonial, and my recommendation this morning to us is that we adopt scenario 2 of the financial modeling. Now, the lessons learned from cloud computing are that there are security concerns. However, once cloud is adopted, there will be less IT infrastructure on the ground for us as a business. However, there needs to be a cautious approach towards cloud. However, when we do embrace it, it will deliver healthier collaboration techniques for us and our stakeholders. So once again, thank you for making it to this meeting. We will now close and then come back again to finalize our investment of $25,000 in cloud computing.